Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the best DoorDash promo codes that are working in 2025. Let's get started. This promo will give you $100 in account credit, and you can also get free food orders. Super simple, guys. It's going to save you a ton of time searching because I spent a few hours this morning and stumbled across this DoorDash coupon code that I'm going to share with you now. You'll need to use your mobile phone and go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. This is a brand new coupon code website I discovered, and they have so many different pages with deals that can save you tons of money on a variety of things. Next, you just need to navigate to the DoorDash promo codes page. I'm going to use this handy search feature here and type in DoorDash. There we go, DoorDash free credit and food coupons. Now, these coupon codes are limited in number, so there is a bit of a process to unlock your code. But don't worry, it only takes between 5 and 10 minutes, and it'll get you a $100 DoorDash account credit, or you can get your next 3 food orders for free. Now click on Show Coupon. As I mentioned, you'll need to unlock your DoorDash promo code. Now, this code is protected to prevent people from getting thousands of dollars in credit. Trust me, I've tried, but it limits one code per person. So, you're going to tap Unlock Code. Like I said, I've already got mine, but when you unlock it, you're guaranteed 100%. Let me just cancel that. When it gets 100%, you'll see a new screen that will show you how to unlock your code. Just follow the instructions. If this is your first time on Robot Coupons, you'll probably need to verify that you're not a robot. I know it sounds funny, but basically, people create bots to steal all of these account credit codes. So, that prevents bots from taking the codes. Go ahead, verify yourself, complete a couple of tasks, and your code will be unlocked and revealed. Once it's done, you can redeem it in the app, and it will add $100 credit to your account. Alternatively, you can get 3 of your next food orders for free. If you're a big eater like I am, this could be pretty beneficial. So, head on over to Robot Coupons, guys, search for the DoorDash page, and enjoy your promo code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.